Welcome, young viewers, to a magical tale filled with secrets from the North Pole. Today, we journey inside Santa's workshop, a place of wonder where nimble elves work tirelessly to make holiday dreams come true. Have you ever wondered what happens in this enchanted place? Well, get ready, because we're about to unveil some of its most charming secrets. Our story begins in the frosty lands of the North Pole, where Santa's workshop is hidden under a vast blanket of snow and ice. The workshop is not just a building, it's a bustling village filled with laughter, excitement, and of course, a dash of Christmas magic. The elves who live and work here are a lively bunch, each with a special role to play in preparing for the big day, Christmas Eve. Let's start with the elves themselves. Did you know that there are thousands of elves, each with unique talents? These tiny helpers are divided into teams, each with a special mission. Some elves focus on toy making, crafting the latest gadgets, dolls, and games with incredible precision and creativity. Others are in charge of quality control, ensuring that every toy is perfect before it leaves the workshop. But that's not all. There are also elves who specialize in wrapping gifts. Their colorful papers and swirling ribbons are a delight to behold. These elves can wrap presents faster than you can say Merry Christmas. And at the heart of it all is the planning department, where clever elves decide the best way to deliver presents to children all around the world in just one night. Now, you might wonder how everything runs so smoothly. Well, the secret lies in the power of teamwork and a little bit of enchanted dust. Each elf understands their part and works in harmony with others, much like a symphony orchestra creating beautiful music together. They communicate through a special system of magic mail, ensuring Santa's list of who's been naughty and nice is always up to date. The elves also have a wonderful tradition. Every year, as Christmas approaches, they gather for a special meeting known as the Great Elf Council. Here, they share ideas, solve problems, and even invent new toys that haven't been seen before. Imagine a place where ideas twinkle just like stars in the night sky. No tale of the workshop would be complete without mentioning Rudolph and the reindeer team, who are trained just next door. They practice all year long, guided by thoughtful elves, to make sure they're ready to soar across the skies. It's a truly spectacular sight to behold. As our journey comes to a close, remember that Santa's workshop is more than bricks and mortar. It is a place of joy, teamwork, and endless creativity. And it is here, in this wondrous corner of the world, that the spirit of Christmas is kept alive throughout the year. When we truly understand the magic of giving, we too become part of Santa's team, spreading love and joy across the world. So, the next time you find a gift under your Christmas tree, think of the dedicated elves who craft and prepare each present with care. And maybe, just maybe, you'll hear the faint jingle of bells from far away, reminding you that magic truly exists at the North Pole.